Katibu wa usalama Dr. Raymond Omolo alizuru miradi mbalimbali ya serikali iliyokwama katika eneo bunge la Karachuonyo, kaunti ya Homa Bay kwa lengo la kuifufua. Akizungumza baada ya kuzuru mradi wa maji wa West Karachuonyo, Omolo aliwahimiza wakazi kuwa miradi iliyokwama takriban miaka 8 iliyopita ikiwemo ya barabara itatekelezwa vikamilifu.
The residents of Karachuonyo West had never imagined that would happen. We have also discussed the issue of water and the government in Karachuonyo West alone. There is an investment of 605 million shillings for water supply for the entire sub-county, covering 3 county wards. Actually, one of the main roads was launched, its construction was launched in the year 2018 by His Excellency the President when he was the Deputy President. 8 years down the road, nothing has happened. It is only under his leadership now as a president that the contractor is finally back on site and work is progressing, and we expect that by July the entire stretch of 67 kilometers would have been done.
Omolo amewataka wazazi kuipa kipaumbele miundo msingi pamoja na elimu ya watoto wao, akiwahimiza wakazi kuunga mkono azma ya Rais William Ruto kuhudumu kwa muhula wa pili.
National government is doing what it has to do to transform our education system and to support. But as a community, we must take an interest in our schools. Let's go to the schools to find out how our sons and daughters are performing. Let's support the teachers. Where we can chip in to support in the infrastructure development, let's do so. And let's also pay school fees where we can for our children. Because of the transformation that His Excellency President Ruto is undertaking in this region, which is what is happening across the country, we have no fear or doubt in our minds as to support for his re-election.
Aidha, amewashauri vijana kujiepusha na wanasiasa wanaowashawishi kujiunga na magenge.
And when the campaign period comes, every leader, every politician must be given an opportunity to canvass his issues without any coercion, without any intimidation. If there is a leader you don't like, please keep away from their meetings. And I want to appeal to our young people, do not allow yourselves to be misused, to go and cause chaos, to go and cause violence, simply because one person is not happy with their competitor. Everyone must be allowed to canvass, and at the right time, we will go to the ballot and we will make a choice based on how we have been persuaded or based on how someone has delivered for all of us.
Miradi ya barabara eneo hilo itaharimu takriban shilingi bilioni 5.2 huku mradi wa maji ukiharimu shilingi milioni 605. Leonard Murunga, Jabali TV.